Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy US stocks in Binance. So if you don't know, Binance is crypto exchange, but now you can trade a lot of commodities like gold and then also US stocks. So you can just open your Binance app and then go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search like the maybe Amazon. For example, you can just search AMZN for Amazon, and you will find in the stocks, B stocks. You can click on it, and then you can just click buy here. Then you can put your USDC here to buy the stock, or you can also buy B stock. So basically, you can just add B in at the end of the ticker, like AMZN B. Oops, I don't think there is a B stock for Amazon, but so if you see there is new coins here, so let's say this one MUUB. So this is US stock. It's ETF. You can buy it, or you can buy this one AXT B stock. So basically you can buy it using USDT, and also another option here, Oracle. So it's Oracle ORCLB. It's mean B stock. You can buy it with your USDT, and you can put the limit order or the market order if you want. It's very easy. So basically the ticker the ends with B, it's B stock, so you can buy it, and it's US stocks. So yeah, so let's say Google. So maybe you want to find Google, you can just find the ticker. So there is Google B, this one, and it's it's B stock, and you can buy it, the alphabet. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.